Okay guys, today I'm gonna make a Nintendo Wii 3D print. It's gonna pieces into say and the same thing. The nunchuck button. You can select flat floor, then you can select switch, and then bam. And so that's really good. You can, I guess, on a nunchuck. We're gonna have no slide. Okay, we're gonna connect there, right? But no, I cannot do the slide, but then I can spin that. Alright, gonna go to that point, then nunchuck. Then we can click on what? Well, I can fix that. Alright, that's done printing, and I will now slice it. Alright, now it's sliced, but it's gonna make overhang. I will make the infill. I will make that 100%. This is not good. You can have support here in, but it's still making overhang. You're gonna Nintendo Wii overhangs there. Overhang 26 seconds. It's not good, but we can fix it. And not this. This is gonna make it blue. I will make this gray and this white. It's gonna be white, and that's only this thing can be white. That's 30 minutes. That's so short. But again, I will see how long it now doing. And yes, over yes, export 45 minutes. Okay, make it big. I don't know. 0.20, I can make it 0.10. That's safe. Not gonna discard. I will make this support. And now we go to the support. Oh no. It's handfast, but organic. That's what am I gonna do? That's my favorite support. Okay. Nothing going. 1 hour and 22 minutes. Okay. It's gonna be really small, but you're gonna print that. You can print this on white. I don't know if this on a button. Then it's going to be white. No supports needed, only to tell you Nintendo. Wait a second. I will set this here and set this place there. Alright. And now slice it. Okay. 1 hour and 50 minutes. Okay, that's done. That can be. Okay, we're gonna now print this. Alright, again back to my printers. We're gonna set the USB. Loading rate. That's good. Good job. Set the print. Now it's gonna print in. Now we're gonna go to the second part. Okay, it's 3D printing. My Nintendo Wii is gonna print. I don't know if this is too small. This is a mini Nintendo Wii. Oops. Big print. Oh. Print it. It's a white filament. 3% completed. Nintendo Wii Mini VG code. 1 hour and 12 minutes. Awesome. Now I can print the standard on that printer. Alright, this is during 12 minutes. This is the base of the Nintendo Wii. The infill are 100%. Yes. Slice. 17 minutes. Alright. That's can be. Okay. Now we're gonna slice that. USB. Then I have the USB thing. That's there. Standard Wii. Let's. Okay, I think. Wait a second. I think I have put that there in. I just see that. It's gonna printing. It's loading. I will doing gray filament. It's gonna get print. Awesome. Oh great. I'm gonna back. Yeah, that's the standard. I have. Now we can lose the filament. Pull it out. Now we can set this back. I can't set back. Okay, we're gonna now put this gray filament. Okay. Where is these? That's gonna go right there. Printer. Oh, I think DLA. Alright, this printer is tickling. Back. So 79% touching. Good that. Alright. It's almost there. Yes. It's not a whole punch, but alright. Awesome. Now we can get this printer with the blue things.